In today's video, I'll show you on how you can download Trust software for your Helox mouse. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the browser that's installed to your device. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Brave, Opera, or Firefox. From here, just simply search for the Trust software Helox mouse. You then want to type your mouse model right after, but to generalize the video, we are going to navigate through a random Helox mouse right here. Basically, we have different models like this one. It's going to be the 928, and for this one, it's going to be the 928W. You can simply click on your model. Let's say this is the current model that I'm using. And from here, we have the mouse or the software mouse. Click download. From there, navigate through this zip file, extract it onto your folder right here, and then you can just open it up. Inside this page, we then have the installation executable file. Just click on the next button, click on next once more, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guides to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.